day friends, we are here at Mhlangatane and you can see how it looks here in the season when it doesn't rain. There's absolutely nothing here. It's very dry, very difficult to live, but we are very excited because we found water here. There was a miracle. We were hoping to find water before 100 meters, but we only found water at 136 meters. And this water will change this community and just bring life to this dry place. You can see how far Pastor Nhlanhla did with his multi-purpose building. It is almost completed now, and he's doing his services there on Sundays, and he's also very excited to start his preschool there next year. So Nhlanhla, we are here and I see these boxes here. Explain to me what they are.
The boxes are for the chickens to hatch their eggs and come out with chicks.
Okay, and how many chickens do you have now that's hatching?
Two chickens I have hatching, this one.
That one and that one.
10 eggs. Yeah.
Okay, that is good news. And what are you going to do with the chickens?
I'm gonna raise the chicken and feed my children and help others who are in need.
Oh, that's good. Well done, Nhlanhla.
Yes. My name is Mhlangatane. Thank you so much for your support, for your prayers and support.